Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Modic from Gemini to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently, especially with the latest updates in blockchain tech. By the end of this video, you'll have all the steps you need to make this transfer smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Bitmart. In 2025, Gemini has enhanced its interface with AI-driven security checks, so log into your Gemini account and head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section. Locate your Modic holdings, that's Polygon to you crypto vets. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal or Transfer option. You'll need to select Modic from the drop-down menu. Now, here's a crucial step. Generate a wallet address on Bitmart. Open your Bitmart app or website, go to your wallet, and find the deposit section for Modic. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Back on Gemini, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Modic you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which in 2025 might be optimized with Layer 2 solutions on Polygon. Review everything, amount, address, and fees, then hit Confirm. Gemini will prompt you for two-factor authentication, which is now mandatory with biometric options for added security. Once submitted, the transfer usually takes 5 to 30 minutes, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account for the incoming transaction. If you run into issues, like delays, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. And there you have it. Transferring Modic from Gemini to Bitmart in 2025 is quicker and safer than ever. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.